Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Ajay Sharma Lo. So today we will discuss a very important topic, custody of your children. Biggest question is that who will take care of the child? Less understood in this video. Section 26 deals with the custody of your children. Let's read out through the Direct. Section 26 Custody of your children. In any proceedings under this act, the court may, from the time to time, pass such interim orders and make such provisions in the decree as it may deem just and proper with respect to the custody, maintenance, and education of the minor child, consistently with their wishes, and wherever possible and may after the decree, upon the application by petition for the purpose, make from time to time all such orders and provisions with respect to the custody, maintenance, and education of such children as might have been made by such decree or interim order in the case the proceeding for obtaining such decree were still pending, and the court may also from time to time revoke, suspend, or vary and such orders and provisions previously made. Court has the power to decide about the children's custody, expenses, maintenance, and education. During the case, the court can give the temporary interim order in the final decision decree. Also, the court can include the custody and education matter. The court also try to consider the wishes of the children wherever possible. Even after the case is finished, if someone applies, the court can again pass new orders about the custody, maintenance, or education, as if the case was still going on. The court can also change or cancel or suspend or any earlier orders whenever it feels necessary. The court always has the power to decide and change the order about the custody, maintenance, and education of the children. The main focus of the court is always the welfare of the children. Let's read out the proviso of this section. Provided that the application with respect to the maintenance and education of the minor child pending the proceeding for obtaining such decree shall as far as possible be disposed of within 60 days from the date of service of notice on the respondent. So has a timeline for a children maintenance and education during the divorce or a separation cases. If one parent file an application for the children education or expenses while the case is going on, the court should try to give a decision within the 60 days. That means within the 2 months from the date the notice is served to the other parent. This is done to make sure the children doesn't suffer because of the long court delays. So law protects the minor child by the ensuring that their maintenance and education matters solved quickly, ideally within the 60 days. So that's all about section 26. Thanks for watching guys. If you found this video helpful really, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye guys, see you in the next video.